Okay, I'll try to explain this the best way I can and how I trade. But I just want you to know, like, keep in mind, I've only been in this group for like a week, and I've only like been like testing and working with the strategy for a week. I mean, it's literally changed and turned my trading around and how I view trading. But overall, I've been trading the markets. Well, I've been trading the forex markets for the past year now, so I kind of know a little bit more. I knew like a lot more coming into this group prior compared to like somebody that didn't know anything. But like either way, like you're gonna learn a lot during this week. I mean, during this in this group because I've learned a lot. Um, in the past week, that's literally taken me from like to like literally made me a better trader in less than a week, honestly. But I'll show you like how I would do it. Honestly, if I was like let's rewind it, like let's say like back here or whatever, we would see that price was in an uptrend. I'll try to make this really quick. Price is in an uptrend. this is this would be the higher high in a sense. And yes, we do people double bottom right here. I mean double top right here. And we do people double top right here. And we would expect for there to be for price to like literally just push down, right? But to like literally push down. But let's see if we get that. No, we don't get that. We get a push up, break out of the structure, or break out of the lower high. So I mean higher high. So then this will become your lower high, basically. That would become your lower high, and then it just keeps pushing up. You will be looking for opportunities to buy within this market, and then we see price stalls right here. This immediately becomes your higher high right here. This immediately becomes your higher high. We see prices push it down. We're waiting for a retest. This was your prior higher high that was broken. Let's account for these wicks. This is your prior higher high. So like I guess around here you'll look for a buy still because we are still in this buy market. Excuse me. Price is coming down, coming down. Okay, boom. You'll probably pick up a buy somewhere around here. You'll take that up. You see price wasn't able to push up, had a strong push down. At this point, I wouldn't get in yet until like the market breaks, like literally breaks this. I would still go for this. Would still be a buy bias market even after seeing this until the market does something like break it. Until the market literally like breaks structure down here, breaks it, retest, and comes down. That was disgustingly bad. I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, until the market like breaks. Oh my god, I gotta get better at this. Until the market like does something like this, where it breaks prior lower lows. For me, this is for me because I like to take safe trades and I like to like understand full market structure. And there's like so many pairs to where like you will always find like a trending market. But I will want the market to break this, the price to break this, come back retest, and then push lower before I take sales. That's just me. That's just me in general. Or for the market to basically do something like this, where like it could push higher and then like just start showing me like a lower high formation. This is ugly as well, but start showing me like a lower high formation before I'm like, okay, we're in a sell structure market. Market like we're in a set. We're looking for sales now, but let's see how this will play out. Boom, it's breaking out. It broke out. Perfect, perfect. And it gave us a retest. I kind of, even though we kind of saw this already, I didn't know that I was coming, but gave us a retest. Perfect. Now let's see if we could have another push down. This is perfect. This is perfect. Now we know this is an area, and now we know we're in a sell bias market. Now we're in a sell bias market. Now for me, now that I know this, go down to the 1 hour. Just looking at the behaviors, I'm in a sell bias market. Sometimes I don't really need to go to the 1 hour. It's literally between the 4 hour and the 15 minute for me. We're in a sell bias market. Just looking for price to exhaust. Show me some evidence, and I might take a trade, just a back testing trade, just to show you. But like, let me see. Exhaustion. Looking for exhaustion. I'm either looking for exhaustion or a retest of low, a low that was broken, or I'm just probably gonna enter it on this low candle right here. But we'll see what we get. Okay, boom. There goes evidence right here. my first evidence to go short. I'm sorry. I go for a 10 pip, 10 pip, 300. Ooh, hold on. 10 pip just to be safe. Actually, this would be 80. This would be 240. Ooh, sorry. Why is it? Stop doing that. Okay. Instant execution. There we go. Just kind of playing it. Might be a losing trade. Just the structure. I already broke the low. As you can see, that was even more confirmation. Should have waited for more, but double top. If you would have came back for this double top, would have been a perfect confirmation. But my confirmations was right here, so it doesn't matter. Would have still been in this trade. Break even now at this point. Just let the rest run. Break even. No, just let the rest run. 50% now at this level. 50% taken off right here. And then boom, profit hit, target hit. Let's say this is another day. I look at this chart. I see we're still in this downtrend. We're still in this downtrend. Now that I see this, I would wait for price to exhaust to prior higher lows, since we're in the downtrend. In the downtrend, all I really care about for me personally are the higher lows and sometimes the higher highs. It depends how price is moving. Like if the price is not respecting the higher low for me, I'll wait for the higher high, honestly, before I decide to go short. But price, but just looking for exhaustion. Price broke in above the higher low. Let's see what happens. Okay. Now price is broken down below, even tested a higher high. Still sellers are in the market, very strong. I'll move down to the 15-minute. Where am I at here? Sorry about this. There we go. 15-minute. Move down to the 15-minute. See this nice little structure. Now I just need, now that we have a push, I just need to know that this right here is my higher low. Just waiting for some evidence. Just some good evidence for me. We'll be taking this trade. This is the last major low right here. Let's see. 10 pip stop. Now the question is, do I have enough to go break even? In terms of like, do I have enough range for the major low? Because as you remember, this right here is your 4 hour major, because the 4 hours I use for the key levels is your major key level low. As you can see, on the 4 hours. These are your wicks, even on the 1 hour for your behaviors. So yeah. This is a major key level right here where price can reverse, because as you can see, price was, and the reason why this is a major key level, as you can see, price is literally coming down really fast and like really hard, making like literally keeping with structure, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then automatically right here it just wicked and reversed the rate. So that's a major key level where we know that buyers could literally be at. So see if this trade will work. There we go. See a double top right here. This is also me learning as well that like on this pair I should wait for more double tops before just getting in, because I've been really safe and lucky on these trades so far. But let's see how they play out, how this plays out. Okay, we have enough to go break even. 10 pips right here. How many pips is this? All right, perfect. We're gonna break even now, and we'll just let the rest run. No emotions. It's honestly perfect too before we got to this level right here. Let's see how it reacts. All right, break even trade, no problem. But now we can see the market is literally could either come back and test right here, or down here, and we'll just wait for evidence for us to go short. This is literally great evidence, but it's too much for me. I like to keep a 10 pip stop loss and go for a 1 to 3. Let's see how it reacts. Just waiting for exhaustion. Feeling pretty confident right here. Feeling very confident right here. But I want a sell stop. Let's go. So if this trade doesn't go our direction on the first, after the next candle, canceling it, and then we'll look for another opportunity. Ooh, that's my laptop getting hot. Let's see. We're triggered in. We're in. Just enough to go break even. Is this enough to go break even? You always want to go break even as soon as possible. 10 pips. How much is this? One more. All right, perfect. Break even. Just let the rest run. Let's see what happens. No emotions. Will we break structure? Will we break the lows? If we can break the lows, we're pushing down. And we can't. Let's see what happens. Another break-even trade, which is okay. So that's why I'm going to stop it right there. So basically, we've had 1 win and 2 break-evens. We're still up 3%, which is still great. You want to take a break-even trade any day over a losing trade, so which is really great. But that's literally how I trade it in this market right here. Literally, just wait for evidence. Wait for the market to tell you what it's going to do. Literally, if I was still in a buy bias market when price was still up here, which is okay, and we break this and we come back and retest it and we're breaking it still, that's a sell market. That's a sell bias market. You should just always be looking for sales no matter what. Always look for sales. So yeah, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.